The manzanilla casereña are coming along nicely here.
They are almost ready for harvest.
Feel the firmness here. They need a little longer.
Right, I can feel the difference. Thank you. Secured. That's all of them, finally.
Good work. All right, lift it up now.
Steady, steady.
Bring it over here, watch your backs.
Keep coming straight.
Clear on the right, pull up to the bay.
Keep it coming straight, easy now.
Watch your clearance on the right.
All right, you're good to pull forward.
Ready on three. 1, 2, 3, lift. All right, bring it over here to the belt. Watch your step.
We have a steady flow on the separator.
Noted. The parameters look good. We need to increase the temperature slightly.
Adjusting now, monitoring the separation.
Sample collected, the color looks exceptional.
Agreed. The flow rate and temperature are perfectly stable.
Clear as gold, we are maintaining optimal pressure.
Very good. Keep a close eye on the temperature gauge.
To the finest oil we've ever made.
Absolutely superb.
The flavor is exceptional this year. We did well.
Yes, truly golden. To the success of the harvest.
Keep an eye on the volume here, making sure it's consistent. Looks good. The new calibration seems to be working perfectly.
clarity on this Oleo Olivia is exceptional.
Absolutely flawless. The packaging is secure.
Everything seems to be in order.
Absolutely flawless. They are ready.
Careful with this one, it goes on the left side. Got it, heading up now.
That's the last one for this row.
Okay, secure it tight, we're almost done here.
This one has subtle notes of fig and citrus. It's exquisite.
It smells absolutely divine. I'll take 2.
Is this one similar?
This is our premium Oleo Olivia, cold pressed this season.
The aroma is wonderful. We'll take 2 bottles.
Notice the peppery finish. It indicates fresh, high-quality oil.
Wow, that is incredibly smooth. The best I've ever tasted.
This is absolutely divine. So smooth.
It's pressed early in the season to capture that freshness.
Yeah.